Hi, Phil Swift here for Flex Glue, the super strong rubberized glue. Flex Glue's a powerful adhesive with amazing instant grab. It locks into place and it holds on tight. Flex Glue acts like a magnet. Even this heavy brick is gonna stick. And our Pro formula has even more instant grab, so you can tackle the biggest jobs. Now there's Flex Glue for everything you do. With Flex Glue, you don't need screws or nails, making it perfect for all types of repairs. Not only does Flex Glue have amazing instant grab, but it actually gets stronger over time. And once it reaches maximum strength, Flex Glue can easily lift over 1,000 pounds. Indoor and outdoor projects, virtually any material in all conditions. Wood, glass, tile, and metal, Flex Glue is so strong, it even works underwater. So you can apply Flex Glue underwater, and it even dries underwater. This rubberized adhesive is UV resistant and totally waterproof. To show you the power of Flex Glue, we took all these parts and Flex Glued them together and built the Flex Glue Monster 4x4. Slamming into giant logs and rocks, Flex Glue's powerful bond withstands the shocks and holds this beast together. Now any project big or small, with Flex Glue, you can do them all.